Welcome to our video on the art of unspoken impact. In a world where words often dominate our interactions, it's easy to overlook the power of silence and nonverbal communication. However, the truth is that our presence and energy can speak volumes without uttering a single word. Whether you're interested in personal development, improving your communication skills, or simply deepening your human connections, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we explore the language of energy, the art of active listening, and the profound impact we can make through silent acts of kindness. Get ready to unlock the power of authentic presence and learn how to influence others without saying a word. Okay, let's begin. Authentic presence is a transformative skill that has the power to enhance our ability to influence others without speaking a word. It goes beyond just trying to be liked or seeking validation from others. When we show up as our true selves, we allow others to get to know us on a deeper level, creating trust and building a genuine connection. Personal presence is the ability to connect authentically with others, both in our hearts and through our actions. It involves being fully present in the moment and radiating a genuine and open-hearted energy. This presence can have a profound impact, fostering connection and inspiring others to embrace their authenticity. One of the ways in which we can exert unspoken influence is through the energy we exude. Positive vibes carry a magnetic pull that draws people towards us, even without the need for verbal communication. By cultivating a positive mindset and emanating good vibes, we can make a powerful and unspoken impact on the people we encounter. Our body language also plays a significant role in the unspoken narrative we share with the world. The way we carry ourselves, our gestures, and facial expressions all contribute to the messages we send. Mastering the dance of body language enables us to communicate silently and authentically, influencing others in a powerful way. The language of energy is a powerful tool that plays a significant role in our communication and connection with others. In understanding that we are all made up of vibrating energy, we can tap into a deeper level of connection with our audiences. While the words we say are important, they are merely the outer shell of a deeper, energy-fueled connection with one another. To have a truly impactful presence, we must go beyond words and tap into the energy that flows within us. One way to harness this silent influence is by being a positive role model and embodying the principles we believe in. Our actions, values, and choices silently guide and influence others. By living our truth and being authentic, we inspire those around us to do the same. Another powerful aspect of the language of energy is empathy. The energy of empathy creates a profound emotional resonance and can deeply influence others. By understanding and sharing in the feelings of others, we bridge the gap between hearts and minds and create a powerful connection. Silent support and presence are also impactful ways to influence others. Sometimes, the most powerful support we can offer is simply being there for someone without the need for words. Our silent presence conveys a sense of solidarity and comfort, and can provide a pillar of strength for others in moments of vulnerability. Beyond silent support, encouragement through action can also uplift and motivate those around us. Our actions can silently communicate encouragement, whether it's a supportive gesture, a helping hand, or a simple nod of acknowledgement. By embodying the art of encouragement through action, we inspire confidence and influence positive outcomes. Resilience is another silent teacher. By demonstrating strength, perseverance, and a positive attitude in the face of adversity, we silently influence others to navigate their own difficulties with courage. Our silent response becomes a profound teaching in resilience, creating a resilient community that uplifts each other through shared strength. Expressing gratitude silently is yet another powerful way to influence the energy of a space. Whether through a heartfelt smile, a nod of appreciation, or a thoughtful gesture, the dance of gratitude communicates a profound sense of acknowledgement and positivity. Cultivating a grateful heart becomes a silent force that positively impacts those we interact with. Friends, a genuine smile has the transformative power to brighten someone's day and transcend barriers. A sincere smile is a universal language that communicates warmth, kindness, and acceptance. By sharing genuine smiles, we can create connections and foster a sense of unity. Active listening is a skill that is often overlooked in today's fast-paced world, but it can be immensely powerful in building strong connections and understanding others. It goes beyond just hearing words. It involves being aware of the tone, emotions, and unspoken messages that accompany them. Truly being an active listener requires making a real effort to understand the speaker's feelings, thoughts, and intentions. Nonverbal communication also plays a significant role in active listening. Body language, facial expressions, and other nonverbal cues can provide valuable insights into a person's emotions and intention. For example, a smile can create a positive atmosphere and uplift the spirits of those around you, even without uttering a word. Additionally, the silent celebration of success can contribute to a positive and supportive environment. By acknowledging achievements, whether big or small, you can inspire and encourage others to pursue their goals with determination and resilience. The energy of forgiveness and compassion is another powerful aspect of nonverbal communication. Forgiveness and compassion emit an energy that can heal wounds and transform relationships. The silent act of forgiving, letting go, and showing compassion can influence the emotional climate of your interactions, fostering understanding and harmony. Trusting and encouraging intuition is yet another way to influence others without speaking. Intuition is a silent guide that can influence decision-making and actions. By trusting your own intuitive wisdom and encouraging others to listen to their inner guidance, you become a subtle yet impactful form of influence, fostering a sense of empowerment and self-trust among those who observe your example. Creating an inclusive environment through respect and appreciation for diversity is a silent empowerment that influences the dynamics of a community. By embracing differences and fostering a sense of belonging, you contribute to a culture of inclusivity. This silent empowerment becomes a beacon that encourages others to appreciate and celebrate the uniqueness of every individual. Wisdom is often conveyed not just through words, but through the silent sharing of life experiences. By embodying your insights and lessons, you become a silent source of wisdom for those who observe your journey. The silent sharing of wisdom becomes a timeless influence that guides others on their own paths of growth and self-discovery. Laughter is a universal language that forges unspoken bonds. The shared experience of laughter creates a positive and joyful atmosphere, fostering connections between individuals. The unspoken bond of shared laughter becomes a source of lightheartedness and camaraderie, influencing the overall mood of the space. Generosity doesn't always require words. It can be expressed through silent acts of giving, whether through small gestures or meaningful contribution. The silent act of giving creates a positive impact on the lives of others and becomes a silent catalyst for kindness and compassion in the world. As we conclude our exploration of the art of unspoken impact, it is clear that words are not the only means of communication. Our presence, energy, and nonverbal cues can have a profound influence on others and the world around us. If you found value in this video, we kindly ask you to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you will ensure that you never miss out on our future content that is designed to empower and inspire you. We would love to hear from you. So please feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Your feedback is invaluable to us as it helps us improve and create content that resonates with our amazing community. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing the power of unspoken impact.